The next company I got for you guys is Paradise Plumbing, Air, and Electric. And the thing that I really want to highlight that these guys are doing well is just their branding. Their branding is fun, it's engaging, it's exciting, and they stay consistent with that theme throughout. So you can go over from their website, it looks really good, flows really well, nice bright colors, feels like Florida. And then you can look at their Instagram, and there's just so many fun things that they're able to do with that. Which again is just is understanding the industry you're in and how localized it is. We want to find, for instance, for Paradise, they want to find people in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, because that's where their home base is and in that area. And so making a brand and a theme that fits that, great job, wonderful job here that they did. And in doing that, you also have people become more comfortable with you when they see you in the community. And what they've done is they've had a great impact on the community, lots of great charitable things that they're doing. So not only is their brand engaging, but they're also out in the community having an impact. And then you just see these things play out in Google reviews. I know I shared this in some other videos, but this is where you see the end thing happen, right? People's willingness to leave positive reviews for you because you've had such an impact on their community and a great customer experience for them. So great job, Paradise Plumbing. Wonderful branding you guys are doing. And so just all this stuff is really great. And these are some marquee businesses that are doing great work. So you always want to see this happening, and when paired with a great digital marketing strategy, it can equal success, greater visibility, and more leads flowing through. So with that being said, if you have any companies that you would like me to shout out, or it's your company that you would like me to shout out, or take a look at, please leave a comment, send me a DM. I'm having a lot of fun with this. I hope you guys are enjoying it.